Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy. And in this session, we are going to discuss a very important problem of GATE CS 2009, question number 27 from Theory of Computation. The topic is finite automata. Question is very important and very conceptual. You can see here the question is given the following state table of an FSM, that is finite state machine, with two states A and B, one input and one output. If the initial state is A equals to 0 and B equals to 0, what is the minimum length of an input string which will take the machine to the state A equals to 0 and B equals to 1 with output 1? We need output 1 with the state A equals to 0 and B equals to 1. And the transition table for the finite state machine, transition table for finite state machine is given to us. Now you can see here that present state is in present state for B is given to us, and input is given to us, and we have output associated on transition, that is like you can see here that outputs are associated. So we can in one way create Moore machine and also can create Mealy machine to solve this problem. Okay, so let's see that our starting state is 0 0. So it is 0 0, our starting state, and on input 0, you can see here on input 0, we are going to next state 0 0. So again we are coming to next state, that is 0 0 itself, and output is 1, output associated is 1. So I will write it like that, output is associated with this one. Now if you will further see 0 and 0, so this is completed. And if I write this 0 0 on 1, 0 0 on 1 going to 0 and 1, so 0 0 on 1, it is going to 0 1, it is going to 0 and 1, and output associated here is 0. So I will write 0 here. Okay, so 0 0 is completed. Now for 0 1, look, for 0 1, 0 and 1 on input 0, we are going to 1 0 with input 0, means we will go to 1 0 state, and output associated is 0. So output associated 0 for input symbol 0, right? So 1 0, you can see here that 0 1 0 1 on input symbol 0, we are going to 1 0, and output is 0, output associated is here is 0. Okay, so this is done. And let's check that 0 1 on 1, where it is going, 0 1 and 1, this is 0 1 on 1, it is going to 0 0, it is going to 0 0, and output associated is 1. So this 0 0 has output associated as 1. So on 1 and 1, we are going like that, right? So 0, it is also done, and it is also done. Okay, now 1 0 on input 0, 1 0, that is this part, 1 0 on input 0, where we are going to 0 1, output associated is 0. So 1 0, you can write it like that, 1 0 on input 0, we are going to 0 1, and output associated is 0. Okay, so this is also done. Now if you will see, one more state is here, 1 1 is here. So I will write 1 1 is here, 1 1, and this 1 1 on input 0, we are going 1 0, and output associated is 0. So this 1 1, this 1 1, this 1 1 on 0 going to 1 1 on 0 going to 0 1, this 1 1 going to 1 0 on output is 0. So this is the transition state for that. Okay, so for this check, 1 0 on input 1, 1 0 is here, 1 0 is here, on input 1, 1 0 on input 1, we are going 0 0, we are going to 0 0, and output associated is 1. So 0 1, 0 and 1 is it is already done, right? 0 1 is already done na? 0 1 on 1, 0 1 on 1, we are going 0 0, and output associated 1. This is already done, this much already done. Now check for 1 0, 1 and this 0. So 1 and 0, and now input is 0, 1 and 0, and input is 1. Where we are going 0 and 1, but output is 1 here. 0 and 1, please observe here, 0 and 1, 0 and 1 is here, but output is 0 here, but we need output 1. So we will create one more state where 0 1 is the state name, and output associated is a 1. And from 1 0 1 0 on input symbol 1, we will reach here, Now this is already done. Now let's check last one, that is 1 and 1. This 1 and 1, on 1 and 1 on 1, where we are going to 0 0 with output associated is 1. So 1 and 1, this 1 and 1 on input symbol 1, we are going to state 0 0 and output associated is 1. So this is the case, right? Now you can easily see that for 1 1 we don't have any transition digit mentioned, means in next state there isn't anything where 1 1 is mentioned. In next state there isn't anything that where 1 1 is mentioned. Okay, but if you will see the question, for the what is the minimum length of the input string which will take the machine to the state a equals to 0 and b equals to 1, a equals to 0 and b equals to 1 with output 1, output needed 1, starting here. Now a equals to 0 and b equals to 1 we need, means if you will see here that one input symbol a equals to 0 and b equals to 1. So you can easily see that a equals to 0 is here and b equals to 1 is here and output is 1. A equals to 0 and b equals to 1. This is only this state. We are talking about this state. In this that, and output associated here is 1. Output associated here is 1. So to go in this state, we require at least this path. After this, we need this path, and then we need this path. Means 1, then after that 0, and thereafter 1. 1 0 1 is the minimum length string that would must require in order to reach from here to here, such that this condition would satisfy. So this length is nothing but it is 3 length string. It is 3 length string. So if you will see here in the question, option A is the correct answer. Option A, it is the correct answer, because minimum length string required is 101. That is nothing but 3 length string, such that a equals to 0 would be there and b equals to 1 would be there, and output is also associated as 1. So this is the path. Right? You can again see it that with the different color. This is the path. From here we will go here. From here we will go here, and from here we will go here. This is the path. Okay. So 3 length string required 101. I hope it is clear to each and everyone. If you got it, please do subscribe our YouTube channel, like the video and share it with your friends also, guys. And if you have any query, you can comment us and we will try to solve your all doubts and all queries as early as possible. Thank you so much, guys. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.